Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a selfie GIF in Messages on your Poco phone. To do it, click on the plus button here in the Messages while you are in a conversation with someone, then just find the selfie GIF. After you click on it, it will start counting down from 3, and after that it will record a short GIF. So let's do it. Now I can wave, for example, and you can see this is my GIF. I can click on send to send it, or restart to do it again, or click on X to delete it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.